Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens. Their ICO is live today and runs until January 29th.
Okay, how about now? What's up, guys? You guys hear me now? Sorry about that. Yeah, throw me a thumbs up if you can hear me, or just say you can hear me. Muted? I'm still muted. Your mic? Okay, cool. All right, thanks, guys. Sorry about that. That was embarrassing. I was talking to Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. I wasn't talking to YouTube yet, but I was just setting things up for YouTube, and I guess my mic was muted the whole time. So, all right. You know, lots of crazy things happening today. Bcash, my mic is muted, so let's do this, guys. All right, cool. Loud and clear. Everything is good. All right, let's check this out. 46% up. Are you serious? 46% up onto Bitcoin Cash. Amazing stuff. Again, IOTA, that was kind of expected. That RSI was super low. If you haven't checked it out, it's IOTA's RSI was incredibly low. There's this cool website called RSI Hunter that pretty much shows you your RSI and how low all the cryptocurrencies RSIs are. So I saw that yesterday and I was like, wow, IOTA's RSI, which means it's very, very oversold, was super low. So pretty easy prediction there, but again, I didn't buy into myself. But we were sitting at around 50 billion market cap not too long ago, about an hour ago. But is anybody noticing a delay between the sound and his mouth? All right, maybe I'll just talk real slow. No, I don't know. Sorry about that. If you're experiencing any other lag, let me know and I'll turn off one of the other streams. We're over here on YouTube. This live chat's on YouTube, so cool. All right, cool, good stuff. Let's do this. Okay, let's go through the charts here. First things first, let's go over Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I know everyone wants to hear about Bitcoin Cash first, right? I mean, that's the hot topic for today, right? And if you joined us earlier, Sam was covering that live, and we saw the pump and we saw the dump. So pretty cool stuff there. Let's just go through it. Let's just get straight to it. Let's go to BCH, BTC, and we'll do it on Bitfinex. Why not? Or do we want to do it on Kraken? Let's do it on Kraken, because that's where I have mine, BCH right now. So we'll do that. Welcome everyone from Twitter. I'm reading your comments. Just there's a lot of comments coming from all over the place, and Facebook. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. It is right now. It's about 12. Yeah, it's about midnight on the Pacific coast. But I guess this was the highest demanded time, so I am here for you guys here at midnight. We don't sleep here on Crypto Summit, don't we? All right, let's do this. Actually, I gotta pull up my chart here, and we gotta do BCH, and we'll go to Kraken. And we'll go to XBT here. So, wow. Okay, that's a 2 hour here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Shoot, let's just go to the 30-minute. Let's just go straight to it. So, wow, that is amazing here. That is amazing volume. Wow. Okay, so let's draw it out. We're gonna draw a Fibonacci retracement here. Just to see what the price forecast is. Now, if everyone didn't know, sorry, I should have preluded this. Bitcoin Cash got added to Coinbase. So Bitcoin Cash got added to Coinbase, and that's huge. That's huge. I mean, we saw Litecoin was at $4 when it was added to Bitcoin Cash, and now Litecoin is at 340 around that. Let me actually double check that. Litecoin is at 320, staying surprisingly stable again. Staying above that 300 mark, which is remarkable again from Litecoin. But we'll go over the other altcoins. Don't worry, this isn't a strictly Bcash video here. And if you're offended by Bcash, I apologize. It's just easy to say. Let's just keep going through it here. All right, let's draw out an extended line just to see if we're still moving that parabolic movement here. And let's just let me make sure that you guys can see this all right. Let's extend out this. I want to extend this out. All right. Wow. Then you guys can't see anything. Okay. All right. Well, this will have to do, I guess, for now. All right. So we drew out this line, hitting support 1, 2, 3 times right now, and it'll be interesting to see what happens. Do you think we're done with this parabolic run, or do you think we're going to bounce off again one more time? On the 15-minute, it looks like we're going to actually still head it down here. Stochastic is low. So stochastic RSI kind of linearizes the RSI. What is RSI? RSI shows you oversold, overbought. So right now, at a 50, it's not oversold or overbought. It's kind of a neutral pattern. But if you see this yellow line here, let me actually bolden this, guys, for you so you could see this better. And if you're over on Instagram, join us over on YouTube, and you'll get to see the actual picture here. And thank you, everyone. Overdot. Okay, I don't know what that means. Overtoe. I don't know what that means over there. Getting comments. Okay. So we are seeing this RSI. There's yellow, dark yellow RSI. Let's actually bring it up here. And I don't know if you guys could see this indicator, but it is on the top it goes to 100, on the bottom it goes to 0, but this purple band, this dark purple band, is actually shows you oversold, overbought. So right now it is over. It's a neutral pattern on the 15-minute, almost exactly at 50 here. But you saw it was overbought very frequently throughout the day, right? It was completely overbought, and that's why we saw a correction down. And we continue to see that correction down, but it'll be interesting to see if we break down through this line here. And yeah, that's just incredible movement. It's just incredible, man. I don't even know how to articulate this. That's amazing. So we're also drawing now a Fibonacci retracement. So hopefully you guys could see that. We are drawing it from 0 to 1. And we're drawing it from where it broke out to where it is now, the all-time high for Bitcoin Cash. So what we're seeing now is we're not seeing any sort of breakdown so far. Right now we're seeing it kind of bounce off the first fib level, but I fully expect this to break down as the market stabilizes. I don't know how much price it could actually sustain here. If you guys also didn't know, Oldenburg, so I believe his name is Mark Oldenburg. He is a Bitcoin.com founder, co-founder, CTO of Bitcoin.com for a long time running now, and he sold all of his Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash. All of his Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash. So pretty substantial stuff here, guys. Really substantial stuff here, and we're gonna continue looking at this and see what other indicators we could get from here. And it just crossed on the wave trend. So let's look at the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, it crossed twice on the wave trend. I think we're headed down here, but we haven't crossed through that support yet. I mean, I would set my stop loss once it does start breaking down from parabolic turns. I don't know if we could recover from that quite steeply. It is interesting to see. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I will answer them as they come in. Muted. All right, I think we're not muted anymore. 1:52 a.m. here. People from the East Coast. Hello, I'm from Philadelphia actually originally. So very cool. People people still up at this hour? Anyone recommended wallet for Ripple? So we'll check out Ripple as well. So yeah, incredible gains. How incredible? Let's see how incredible. All right, we're gonna draw a price range here. 136% increase from yesterday. So we saw this accumulation from a long consolidating standpoint, and it kind of broke out yesterday at 4 a.m. on the 18th. There's got to be some sort of SEC ruling or something, because this was running up before the announcement even happened. You know, let's actually map out the announcement. The announcement happened at around 4:30 my time. And am I on UTC? I'm on UTC. I don't know what Oh, I'm on UTC Los Angeles. Okay. So it happened around 4 p.m. my time, so that's around 16, and it was already running up incredibly. So people knew about this. How do they know? We don't know. We don't know how they knew. But I think it's almost insider trading at this point, and I think it'll be good for the SEC to come in and take a look at this, because SEC is Security Exchange Commission. They run the financial body for the United States. So it is important to see that, and you know, how did people know? How did people know to buy before then? They had to have had insider information, right? Unless it was a natural phenomenon, which, you know, coincidences don't happen, guys. They just don't happen. All right, let's go. Keep going through here, guys. Oh God, hold on, guys. My router just fell. Oh Lord. Crazy things happening today. Crazy things happening today. Modems falling, routers falling, Bitcoin Cash getting pumped. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's keep going through it. And we're going to look at Bitcoin next. And see, wow, Bitcoin got hammered. Bitcoin got hammered. Holy crap. 11% down from 19.8K down to 17K. And it's been floating around that level. It even got down to the mid 1600s. So let's go take a look at that. That's ridiculous. And just ridiculous, guys. Wow. Why would you short Bitcoin? I mean, I understand Bitcoin Cash. What it's trying to say is, okay, it's a peer-to-peer cash transaction method. You know, the fees are too high, but at this point, no, at this very point right now, I honestly believe that Bitcoin is fine in the state that it's at right now. I think if you treat it as a store of value instead of a transaction medium. And Bitcoin Cash doesn't even do transaction medium that well. Why not use Ripple? Why not use Litecoin? Why not use Ethereum? They're all faster than Bitcoin Cash. So I don't understand why people are these Bitcoin Cash people are waving their flag saying, hey, this is the real Bitcoin. Who cares? Who cares if it's fast or slow? It's not faster than any of the other altcoins I just listed. Bitcoin Cash is slower than all of the altcoins I just listed. It's slower than BitShares, and BitShares got delisted. It has... You know, BitShares has more transactions than Bitcoin Cash, and yet people are still waving their flags, saying, "Hey, you know, Bitcoin Cash is the real Bitcoin." I don't really care what the real Bitcoin is, right? I just care of the monetary unit and how it actually is portrayed. And right now, first mover advantage, whether it's able to be transacted quickly or not, it's still the king, absolutely. So, Twomp Dong, I don't know if I'm saying this right, says Bitcoin is still the king, and absolutely it's still the king. And we'll see if we could, wow, 6,500. Wow. That is that on Bitstamp? Yeah, that's on Bitstamp. Let's get Coinbase in here. So wow, 6,500 on Coinbase as well. That is incredible. And we saw a little flash crash here to 1,300. Wow, but guess what I'm seeing here though. Are we seeing a falling wedge? That is the most important question here. All right. Sorry about that. Just drawing this line here. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna credit this here because that was a flash crash here, so I'm not gonna really credit that in my technical analysis. But let's look at the hourly here. Hourly's looking quite strong, quite strong. Wow, this is so perfect. I mean, I didn't want to bring this up, but look how perfect this is. Look at that. That's a falling wedge. We saw a breakout. And guys, who knows what a falling wedge is? Come on, let's see it in the live chat. Anybody know what a falling wedge is? Anybody on Twitter, Facebook? Actually, my Facebook is not open right now. No sound. Okay. Hopefully that sound issue did get resolved. So let's go check this out. Check out CryptoSomniac.com and Facebook.com/CryptoSomniac. We'll be giving away some free cryptocurrency at the end of the show. So do check that out. And let's see. Falling wedge, guys. Falling wedge. I'm gonna just Google it because obviously pictures say a lot better than 100 words, right? So pictures are 1,000 words. So let's take a look. So falling wedges are textbook reversal signals, right? Textbook reversal. We see lower and lower highs and lower lows until it consolidates like a wedge, right? And I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but it seems right at this time. So we're seeing a falling wedge is a very bullish pattern. It's a very, very bullish pattern. So it's called a bearish reversal pattern or a bullish pattern, right? Where are we here? Okay. So that's what I'm seeing right now. I mean, that hourly, I think we could, it'll be interesting to see. I mean, I would start accumulating. We just hit a buy signal on the hourly here. So this is the wave trend cross showing buy and sell pressure. And let's look at the volume. Well, that sell volume's dropping off quickly here. Negative momentum dropping off as well. You see this is a cyclical movement, right? So we have a buy pressure. Let's actually zoom out here. So buy pressure, decision point. Buy pressure, decision point. Buy pressure, decision point. Then we had sell pressure, sell momentum, right? Decision point, and then a monster sell momentum. Now we're coming up to a decision point. This is critical. This is super critical stuff. I'm not making this up. This is all technicals here. That's what we do on this channel. Sam is more of the fundamental kind of guy, research technology. I'm the programmer slash trader. And he's more into long-term investment. So it's, we have a nice little balance going here on this channel. So if you're just now watching us for the first time, welcome. I am Sneh here at CryptoSomniac. We run this channel together. All right, let's continue to see. This is clear falling wedge pattern. I'm not going to include that flash crash in my technicals. I mean, let's look at it in the 15-minute. Yeah, I wouldn't even include it. I wouldn't even include it, guys. I think it's about time to accumulate some Bitcoin. I think it's about damn time. Let's look at the hourly again one more time. Yeah, this is about time, guys. I would wait for a little bit more of a confirmation on the hourly. Maybe give it like 45, 30 more minutes, and let's go look at the 45 minute actually. 45 minute looking tighter and tighter. Let's look at the 30-minute. I think it's about time to start accumulating Bitcoin. I mean, I think it's way too low right now. RSI is sitting pretty nice and low, under 50 here. I mean, it's been sitting high for the past couple days, past week, right? So we did. It is nice to see a nice little opportunity here, right? It's an opportunity. Every downturn, every upturn is an opportunity. So let's see. Let's see what will happen. But I have a strong feeling that Bitcoin's going to bounce back. It's still the king, without a doubt. All right. Again, if you guys want me to go over any other questions or altcoins, I'm just going to go over my altcoins and that I usually go over in the beginning of the show. But if you have any specific altcoins, let me know, and I'll go over it with you guys. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum. Now, I made this call. It's a bold call. But we give out signals here as well on this channel. Not all of our signals. Most of our signals are reserved for the Moon Lounge and our newsletter, our premium subscription newsletter that is coming up. We just hired 6-7 writers. You know, we hired a programmer just to go through GitHub, all through GitHub, and this is all with cryptocurrency gains, right? So just giving it back to the community, I guess, right? But it's some good stuff that's about to come up, and January 1st is going to be our official announcement for our subscription newsletter. We already have over 300 signups, so already successful. Do check that out if you are interested. Just go over to cryptosomniac.com and we'll update you how to get involved in the coming weeks here. Just this is cryptosomniac.com, and you know, you can also check out our hot stories feed, our forums. We have a portfolio tracker coming out. But anyways, let's get back to it, guys. I don't want to bore you with my plug here. So I said, this is interesting. This is a bold call here. But I said that we probably will not see Ethereum in the 600s anymore. I think this is it. I think Ethereum's going to moon very hard. And if you want to take a closer look, I went over that in my Ethereum price prediction video last week, right? So check that out if you are still interested in that. But there's some strong technicals here in Ethereum. Very, very strong technicals here at Ethereum. Wow. Just let's tighten this up, actually. Let's zoom in here and tighten this up. Still bouncing off support. Actually a decent time to pick up some more Ethereum. Let's look at it in the hourly, and we're gonna look at the MACD. MACD looking still pretty negative here, but the 30-minute gives us a strong indication that we'll be seeing some buy pressure come back in here. Absolutely, I think we'll see some buy pressure come back in here. And this is the USD pairing, guys. We're gonna look at the BTC pairing as well. I think they're both very, very important to look at. So yeah, guys, it's looking more and more tempting as we're bouncing off this support here. Once, twice, 3, 4, strong support here. If not, even this would be a decent pickup. So I'm gonna move this decent pickup to right here and buy under here. That is not bad. Let's keep it like that. If it does drop down below this green support line, I think it's a decent pickup, guys. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Let's check it out. ETH BTC. And if this is your first time watching, guys, congratulations. You are an early adopter. People are going to start saying, hey, I can't believe you got into Ethereum under $1,000. I can't believe you got into Bitcoin under $20,000. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. I can't believe you got into Litecoin under $500. That's it, guys. That's how simple it is. It's just a waiting game, right? It's a matter of weak hands. I wouldn't take profit every day, but I'm highly ideological, right? I'm highly ideological. What does ideological mean? It means I believe in the idea more than the profit taking of it, right? I always take profit, but right now I am a Bitcoin holder, hodler, right? Hodler, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you'll see HODL, hodl. It's from an old forum. It's from a Bitcoin talk forum, and this guy was drunk, and that's where it really came from. And now it's being repurposed as hold on for dear life. So I'm holding my Bitcoin. and I'm an altcoin trader. I trade altcoins to get more Bitcoin. That's just how I function, right? Sorry, I guess I was too far away from the mic. I don't know if got some comments here. Sorry about that. Okay, let's continue going through this ETH BTC. So we're still hitting off support here. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's look at the 30 minutes. See if we could see some reversal here. 30 minute looking okay. I still think we could get a little bit lower, and maybe you could buy. Maybe it'll hit below that 0.045. Whoa! Try to buy under 0.045. 0.0455. That's a decent level. Definitely a decent level. Okay, let's do it. Guys, smash those thumbs up buttons if you do like the content. If you do like the content, please subscribe and like it. You know, we're trying to give a lot of content out for free, specifically our portfolio tracker that is coming in January 2018. You know, we're having a release. You know, this is on our roadmap. Right here on CryptoSignup.com, you'll be able to portfolio track everything. If you guys haven't checked out the Coinbase ads, Coinbase ads Bitcoin Cash Markets, check it out. I was live today, earlier today. And check out the website. If you have any feedback, let us know. You can either email us at cryptosomniac@gmail.com or contact@cryptosomniac.com. And just to get some more of your feedback, I mean, we've added a lot of things. There's some Canadians that wanted their, you know, Canadian dollars added. There was some Aussies that wanted their Aussie dollars added. We didn't have HIT BTC, so we got HIT BTC added to the exchange list. You know, this is always a work in progress. So let us know if you find any bugs or want to see anything added. So let's keep going through these charts here, guys. All right, we're gonna go through Litecoin and then we're gonna jump into your guys' questions. Should I hold Bitcoin Cash? Should I hold Bitcoin Cash? Wow, I can't believe we didn't answer that question. Should I hold Bitcoin Cash? Disclaimer, I hold Bitcoin Cash. I actually hold more Bitcoin Cash than I do Bitcoin because I did buy it for such dirt cheap. And I have a stop loss set, and I'll show you where I set my stop loss. I actually swing trade as well. So I swung trade. I bought in around 0.15 and I sold around 0.18 Bitcoin earlier today. As soon as I found out that news, I was like on it. So I made it easy X amount of money, right? I don't want to spoil all the fun for you, right? Hold on. BTC USD BCH, sorry. Bcash USD. Yeah, let's go to Bcash USD. So look at that, guys. Actually, let me show you guys this. What signal we spotted here. So we saw a falling wedge here. Textbook falling wedge here. And then we saw a bounce, and then we saw another bounce here, and we're like, okay, this is easily shooting up. We bought down here in the Moon Lounge, and we kind of rode it way up there. So pretty decent there. Actually, let's go through. Where did I draw that chart earlier? Here it is. Perfect. Let's pull it out to the 30-minute. Come on, TradingView, don't fail me. Classic. TradingView failing me. Sick. All right. All right. Oh wow, it's actually right here. I'm just blind. Okay, so let's pull this to the 5-minute. This is super zoomed in. So we're continually bouncing off the support. What happens if we break support? We start to fall, right? That's exactly what happens. And we're gonna go to GDAX real quick and show you what the order books look like for Bitcoin Cash. Is Ripple's a good deal for future? Yes. Buy some Ripple. Rate limit exceeded. Obviously having some problem with GDAX right now. You know, that's expected though, right? I would totally I don't know if I would take profit, but I would set my stop loss here, guys. You should be absolutely setting your stop loss here, because if we start to fall, we're gonna fall fast. Let's look at what it looks like here on Kraken. You guys seeing me all right? I have a problem with the same GDAX. Okay. So we actually have a decent amount of buy pressure here for XBT. Wow. 121 XBT. Now, actually not a bad hold, but make sure you set your stop losses. And these are where the walls are at. So walls are at 0.21, which are approaching 0.22, 0.23. Okay. Not too bad. But again, once people start sniffing that, once people start sniffing that low Bitcoin, they're going to be flocking back in. And once Bitcoin starts to rally again, I feel bad for all the Bitcoin Cash holders. I really do, because it's going to drain Bitcoin Cash right back out. I'm not saying all the way back to levels that we saw, right? But I definitely think there will be a large impact, right? All right, let's continue going through it. Let's go to the Litecoin. We haven't gone through Litecoin yet. LTC, BTC, Coinbase. Let's look at it. Litecoin has been pretty remarkable. I mean, you're not seeing these levels anymore. We should just delete this comment. Okay, it's pretty decent here on Litecoin. Slowing down a little bit. Let's look at the 4 hour. Ooh, that's rough for the 4 hour. You think we'll see a decline there? Let's look at the hourly. Hourly looks already down here. So let's see if we could bounce back up here in the next couple of hours. But I definitely think we could definitely see some levels down here. So I would pick up around here. Pick up around 0.019. Well, wait, never mind. Hold on. Where is this? That is not 0.019. That is 0.017. That's the signal I would be putting out. That's some pretty strong support there. I don't think we get much lower than that. And all right, let's keep going. Let's go through your questions here now. I went through Litecoin. I went through Ethereum. I went through Bitcoin. Let me know. I'm looking at you, Instagram, and thank you guys so much for joining me here. I've been doing this since 2013. I actually am an automation engineer by background. Me and Sam and I, we actually met in college, both engineers. And I'm an automation engineer by profession. I worked for 8 Fortune 500 companies, and then I quit because I've been doing this since 2013. Now, I was picking up Neo at under $1 and Ethereum under $7, up under $11. So I double checked that. So under $11, I was picking it up, and picking up Bitcoin well under 1,000. Right, I was picking it up under 600. So not too bad. You know, obviously sitting pretty well now. You know, from where I'm standing, I'm sitting pretty well. Right, obviously not as well as some others. But that's pretty much my story here. And then about 2-3 months ago, I quit my job full-time to help out with the channel. I actually founded this channel with Sam. But Sam's been doing this a long time before me. And I've been doing this, so I would really appreciate it if you guys smash those thumbs up and subscribe. You know, we give everything out here for free, but really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you. All right, let's keep going through it. All right. Let's see. Hold on for dear life. Falling wedge. Yes, yes, yes. Sell IOTA. They are pump and dump. Potentially. I'm not the biggest fan of IOTA right now. I'm much more bullish on EOS. At least EOS, I could see what the progress they're making in GitHub. IOTA is just so hush-hush. All right, let's keep going through this here, guys. They lied about their Microsoft partnership. Yep, that's exactly what IOTA did do. Hold on, let's go through your questions here real quick. Verge, 88 charts, 88 charts on Verge. Let's look through both of them because disclaimer, I'm a Verge whale. I have plenty of Verge, you know, and I've been holding it since April. You know, just a random gamble. It's always good to take a healthy amount of risk, guys. Keep most of your profits in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and I'm going to say Bitcoin Cash now. I think it's a legitimate contender. Again, I don't have that much Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I have more Bitcoin Cash than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is $20,000 and Bitcoin Cash is not, right? So let's keep going through it. ADA, BTC. What is ADA? ADA is Cardano. So Cardano is AKA the Ethereum killer. But guys, if you've been riding this since 2 cents like I have, so I've been riding this since 2 cents, about 11.14 was when I bought it exactly. So I bought it around right here. I even drew some indications right here. And we've seen exponential rises here so far. Exponential rises. Guys, I just wanted to warn you, do not be greedy. Take some profit if you have it. You know, if you don't need it, you know, just you could hold it. There's no problem. But again, this is really, really unproven tech right here. Really, really unproven tech. And I'm going to show you an example of why you should be taking a little bit of profit. I'm not telling you to sell all your profits, right? I'm not telling you to do that. But you should be taking some profit. It's arrogant to be. Let's look at the daily right here. It's arrogant to be that greedy. And we're going to look into the 12-hour. 12-hour MACD not looking that great. 6-hour. 6-hour, we're finally crossing on the 6-hour. So it's a pretty strong indication to me that we are headed down. It's a long-term downward continuation. So I'm going to go over Neo BTC just to show you why you shouldn't be greedy. All right, so Verge, hold on. Let me actually. MIT proved IOTA is flawed. Yeah. It's hush hush. Look at Hashgraph. Yeah. BTC Gold. Do you think it's next on Coinbase? Probably not. If BTC Gold gets listed over Vertcoin on Coinbase, I just wouldn't use Coinbase anymore because that's absurd. BTC Gold is a proven scam. All right, so before I go back to a Cardano, I wanted to show you guys this. I'm gonna pull this out to the daily. Let me actually maximize this. So hopefully you guys can see this. You're seeing a massive pump here. Levels like we see with Cardano. Then another massive pump. Levels like we see Cardano. And then what did we see? Let's actually I'm not gonna bullshit you guys. I'm just gonna draw this out because I don't really care for bullshit. Okay, let's do 119 days of downturn. I'm not saying you couldn't have swung trade it, but if you held on, you could have sold up here. I could have sold up here all of my Neo, but I was greedy. Don't make the same mistake that countless others have made. There's 119 days until we saw some sort of significant pull up, right? And I think we are going to break out for Neo. I think it's Neo's time to shine, without a doubt. But that's still way too long to wait. I could have had 4 times my money. I'm at 0.04 right now, and I could have sold at 0.012 comfortably. Sorry, I'm at 0.004. And I could have sold at 0.012 comfortably. I had multiple days to sell. I saw it coming, but I was greedy. This is why I'm telling you, for Cardano, do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Look at it in terms of Bitcoin instead of the US dollar. This sustained the US dollar price, but actually let's actually show you how Bitcoin did along this entire time. So we're going to add symbol and we're going to say BTC USD. So while Neo was sinking for 119 days, Bitcoin rose exponentially. I could have had 3 times my money. 3 times my money from Neo gains. But I didn't because I was greedy. These are you have to get a trading mentality, right? You can't be emotionally attached to a coin. Of course, I held on to a lot of my Neo. I only sold off 15%. I wish I would have sold off more. I could have bought back 3 times the amount of Neo if I would have sold back more, right? But I didn't. And that was because I was being greedy. And that's just a sad fact of it, right? That, you could have sold up here and you couldn't have. I mean, and I didn't, right? And let's look at ADA. Let's go back to ADA. I'm not saying to exit your ADA position and run for the hills. That is not what I'm saying, guys. But I am saying this type of run-up it's unnatural, guys. It's just unnatural. And if you just go to the 4-hour, we've already crossed down the 4-hour. I think we're going to continue to break down. I think a better time to buy would be down here. And you should hold on to your Bitcoin. Absolutely. Okay, let's continue going through it. Sorry for the passion speech there, guys. But what can I say? I just want to help make you guys money. And man, this is what I'm saying. Like maybe 2 years down the road, I'll get a little numb to this. But right now, you guys are literally inspiring me. You guys seriously inspire me. We are early adopters. There's a lot of people that'll be naysayers and Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that, Ponzi, scam, bullshit like that, without understanding the underlying tech, which is blockchain technology. And you guys are taking a risk on it. You are like email users of 1994. If you knew anyone in 1994, I'm a millennial, so I was a little young to be using email. But if you knew anyone in 1994, only 0.5% of the Western tech population was actually invested into cryptocurrency. I mean, was actually using emails. Only 0.5%. And that's exactly what we're seeing with cryptocurrencies. We're in 1994 of the tech boom. So, guys, what happened during the 1996, 1998, 2000? We boomed. That's what we did. We boomed. And we're just we're getting our feet wet right now. Coinbase at 20,000 is getting its feet wet right now. So don't you guys worry. Don't you guys worry, okay? We are good, and thank you so much for joining me, and congratulations, because we're all in it together, guys. I want everyone to make money. I want the Wall Street people. I know a lot of bankers, and specifically in my family, there's a lot of bankers, and I'm one of the only engineers. There's a lot of people in finance. My sister actually lives in Manhattan. She works in finance. I actually won her over, finally, to the Bitcoin dark side, right? But there's so much opposition. Anytime I go home for Christmas or Thanksgiving, just Bitcoin, like, you're going to lose all your money, and, you should be investing in a 401k that nets you 2% a year. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, I'm doubling my money every 3 months. What are you doing over there? You're falling into this bank Ponzi scheme. They take you give the bank money, and then they loan out 9 to 10 times. So if you give them $100, they loan out $1,000, and on that $1,000, they make interest on it. It's literally a Ponzi. They literally print as much cash as they want because it's all digital. And then you could default on it. And there's a huge crash coming, guys. A huge crash. We're seeing lower interest rates like we saw in 2007 leading up to 2008. We're seeing this inflated tech boom market. You're looking at Intel, NVIDIA, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD. And we're seeing all these prices in the stock market inflate too. We have a huge bond bubble already. We have massive amount of bond bubble, right? We're giving out loans left and right for no reason. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. And I see a nice comment. BitConnect is a Ponzi. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. If our savior Vitalik Buterin says it's a Ponzi, it's a Ponzi. Okay. All right. And if you don't like Vitalik Buterin, you don't like almost 50% of the coins that have been run off Ethereum. So you don't even like cryptocurrencies. No, you like cryptocurrencies. You could be a maximalist, right? I used to be a maximalist, right? I still am to a certain extent. But okay, let's keep going through this. And I promised Verge, XVG. Let's go to over XVG. XVG still maintaining amazing levels. What do I think of Wabi? Sam has an amazing video on Wabi. Excuse me. Check that out, guys. Pretty solid stuff. Pretty solid stuff on Wabi. All right, let's keep going through your questions. Keep going through your questions. Okay. So, Snake, are you going to buy more Bitcoin Cash tomorrow on Coinbase? The answer is no. I'm going to be accumulating more Bitcoin because Bitcoin is what I believe in. And again, I still hold more Bitcoin Cash without a doubt. Okay, BCC is a scam. It'll be added. Okay. All right, I think I got through most of those questions. All right. Bitcoin Cash is Phil Doom very soon. Maybe. So let's continue. Let's actually look back out of the Kraken charts. Let's see what it looked like for 5 minutes now. Hold on. Where the hell? I swear I drew that. I drew that out with you guys, right? Maybe losing my mind. Let's tighten this up a little. Ooh, let's see if we could break through that. I'm thinking we break through it. I don't think this volume is sustainable. Let's look at how much Bitcoin is at right now. Let's give this cryptoscience.com a refresh. All right, we're slowly gaining traction here on Bitcoin. It's not too bad. All right, let's keep going over here. When I click on view transaction, it says page not found. Let me know. Let me know if you need any help. You can message me privately on our Facebook page or message me Snabot on Facebook, and I'll help you out. That's what I doubt. I'll help you out. This is what I'm here for. Like Sam the other day helped somebody get this, guys, 100,000 Neo out of a wallet because they had some issues. 100,000 Neo, and you know, that's what we do here. We help. We help. All right. So Verge looking still exponential here. Parabolic turns here. 4 hours still looking pretty decent. Good Lord, Verge. What are you... Verge is going to give me a heart attack. I got to set my stop losses. I want to make sure I'm keeping some of this profit here. We are exploding through the moon here. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly looking good too. What's going on with Verge? Is Wraith Protocol really all that? Now, Wraith Protocol, if anyone knows, it is apparently their next level security measure for Verge. John McAfee tweeted about it. John McAfee. Let me actually pull up a picture of John McAfee. Very eccentric millionaire. He said he would cut his penis off. He said he would cut his penis off if Bitcoin reached $500,000. And this is John McAfee, eccentric millionaire. Also holds a gun. And quite interesting. Quite interesting. Yeah, look. So BTC, 500K within 3 years. If not, all right, that's what he said. I actually misquoted that. This is the real quote. This is a real tweet by a multimillionaire. Hopefully, my Lambo and you know, our moon mission together here, I could start saying things like this and be a multimillionaire. But for now, I can't say anything like this, or I'll start to lose my loyal viewers like yourself. So okay, let's keep going through it, guys. Oh man. All right, let's go through it. I heard Omise go down in the grapevine. So XVG. All right, actually, let me go through XVG one more time. Set your stop losses, guys. Set some rolling stop losses, 10%, 10%, 15%, 15%. Make sure you're securing these profits because you know what these markets are like. You know you could be losing a ton of money instantly, and especially in Verge. There's some huge Verge whales out there. You know, I own a couple million, so what? There are people that hold 30, 40 million verge, and you could clearly see it in their address that they hold 40, 30 million verge here. So there are some huge whales here that could instantly cash out on the market. Instantly cash out on the market. Protect yourselves, guys. Protect yourselves. Specifically on Bittrex. Specifically on Bittrex. That was giving me some trouble earlier today. All right. I heard Omise go through the grapevine. Let's go over Omise go. OMG BTC. That's pretty nice here. What? Wow, look at that. That's nice. That's really nice. So why am I saying this is nice? I'm going to draw it out for you. I'm going to draw this out for you. So, I actually just need an extended. Okay. So, I do not need extended, actually. Whoops. I just need an array. A regular trend line. Okay. So, we have a green line here. So, green means we're going up, right? It means we have positive momentum. MACD is moving average convergence divergence. And as you know, moving averages show you critical moments of how the market's reacting over a certain candle period of time. So if you have a 21 moving average, it's 21 candles. So right now we're in the hourly interval right here. See how this says hourly interval right here? 1 hour. So that means 21 candle average. So 21 hour average. So right now this is 1224, so 12-hour average, which is fast, and the slow is the 24-hour average. All right, let's keep going through this. So green is up. And if you're just now joining us, guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Sneh. You may have seen Sam earlier today. Welcome. We run this channel together. We try to put out 2 videos a day, making sure we have some first-rate, top-rate coverage. Let's draw this out now. Okay, so you see, we're specifically looking at this blue line. You're seeing the negative slope, right? So let me actually pull this down here. Negative slope, and then you're seeing a positive slope, right? Rise over run, right? Basic algebra. And now you're seeing contention or change from negative to positive slope. Now we're going to zoom out here and we're going to show you what that actually means. So if you would have bought right here, you would have had that beautiful run up all the way up there. And now what are we looking? Another run up right here. Actually, let me draw the vertical line here so no one is mistaken. So this was a point where okay, this is the point where it went from negative to positive slope, and again here, negative to positive slope right here. And it's vice versa as well. You can see that we clearly hit a top right here, guys. And what did we do? We dropped right below here. Dropped right below. But now, looking at the MACD, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing a negative to positive. I'm saying this is a perfect buy opportunity if it's not a bull trap, right? And to determine if that's a bull trap or not, we're going to look at even closer to the 30-minute. So 30-minute looks surprisingly good. Buy now. Buy now. Right now. What are you doing? Buy right now. That is a clear-cut signal. I have enough of Mise Go. I have enough of Mise Go, so I won't be buying any more Mise Go, but this is a decent signal. This is a decent bullish signal. And look at that. Wow. Look at that. Decision point green. Momentum indicator shows positive. Wave trend signal shows positive. RSI is neutral. Stochastic RSI is a little high. Maybe we won't have that big of a bull run, but we will be going up regardless, I think. Not too bad, right? Easy signals. Welcome to the channel. This is what we do. All right, I'm going to delete those red lines. I'll keep that, but I don't want to get colluded over here. We'll draw one more trend line just to show. pretty awful. Don't judge me, guys. That's not too bad. That's not too bad, right, guys? That's not too bad at all. All right, let's keep drawing this. It only works. It only works when I zoom in, or else it snaps kind of funky. There it goes. All right, so I gotta zoom in even more. All right, that's not too bad. Almost like a parallel channel coming up forward. Not too bad. We're good on Omise. We're good on Omise. Now, if you bought Omise early and you got greedy, this is what happens. This is what happens, guys. Again, tripled your money here. Tripled your money here. No, I'm very bullish on Omise Go. I think Omise Go is one of the safest picks that you can pick. Backed by a billion-dollar company, Omise, out of Thailand. They win multiple awards. And on top of that, with the cherry on top, Vitalik Buterin is actually advising their project. So very, very good. Very, very good. McAfee. Also, McAfee is broke. He's not a multimillionaire anymore. No, he is. He is. He's a multimillionaire. By far a multimillionaire. He owns a massive, not massive mining operation, but he owns a very large mining operation. So he should be a millionaire by now. And if he's not a millionaire, he's doing something wrong. Okay. Yes. Buy Omise Go. I actually didn't see any of these comments. Smash that thumbs up, guys. Really do appreciate it. Go check it. We're going to give out some free cryptocurrency on Sam's video, actually. Wow, I got 75 retweets. That's going to be a doozy. Trying to count the 75 if it is a high number. And Facebook. Go to facebook.com and share Sam's video, and you will win some Kyber. Or Kyber. You will win some free crypto. Okay. Let's keep doing it. All right, I'm Snay, guys. I'm Snay at CryptoSomniac. I do a video here almost every other day, or every day actually. So yeah, me and Sam run this channel together. Soon it was expect to be on Coinbase. Yep. Okay. Wow. Okay. So Sam's speaking in the other room. All right. This is good stuff. Staying awake so I could buy Bitcoin Cash at 9 a.m. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's very bold. Okay. Let's keep going through you guys' comments and questions. Again, if you have any altcoin, Kyber charts. Kyber great. Kyber charts. Let's keep going through Kyber now. All right, let's do this. Let's go over the Kyber charts. The king demands it. KNC. Let's see what's going on at Kyber. Oh my lord. All right, actually, I have to load one of my charts here. Yeah, CoinG has its issues, but so does TradingView. I wish they would just combine text and so I could get a master program. All right, so we're on the 2-hour indicator for Kyber. Let's zoom into the 1 hour. Wow. Wow, all these altcoins are looking to reverse right now. They're looking to right now we've had a pretty bearish day, right? Like a pretty sell-off kind of day, right? For almost all the altcoins. And we're looking to reverse hard. That MACD is looking delicious. Light blue crossing over that red. Price charts hitting that support. Volume dropping off and maybe picking back up on that green side. RSI neutral. Stochastic a little high, but not too bad. Wave trend signal, wave trend buy signal already hitting. Another solid pickup here. Another solid pickup. Make sure you set your stop losses, but another solid pickup here. I am covering Kyber right now. Okay. I'm a true believer in EOS. hey, Benjamin, me and you are on the same team because I think EOS is going to be bigger than Neo, Qtum, Cardano. I think EOS is good. I think 2018 is going to be the year of Dan Larimer, which is the founder of EOS. Again, me and Sam have a little bit of conflicting views here, but it's good, right? You get two different little viewpoints here, so don't you guys worry. I'm going to go over EOS. I'm going to go over EOS, and you're going to like it. Oh, there I am. We're at their daily right now. Let's go to the 4-hour. Are we slowing down, actually, on EOS? We have had an amazing run on EOS. Hitting support once, twice, 3 times. Do you think we're going to be heading down? Find out more right now. Hourly looking down, and it's looking to cross again. When will EOS stop? That's what I'm wondering. When will EOS stop running? Because I'm getting concerned right now. It just doesn't seem sustainable. This is some Cardano level run up right now. Coming up to a decision point, a very crucial decision point here. MACD may be going to cross here. Let's look at the 30-minute. Weak cross, but nothing to cry home about. I definitely think you should be setting your stop losses for EOS regardless. You should absolutely be setting your stop losses for EOS. Anytime there's a parabolic turn like this, and when I mean parabolic, let's look at the logarithmic. I'll push it out to the daily. Take off logarithmic. This is parabolic right here. Higher and higher slopes. It's parabolic. And again, remember, parabolic movement cannot be sustained, right? All right. Let's go. Let's keep going. EOS is a token and not actually the currency on the platform, right? Yes. Yes, EOS is a token, not actually on the platform. Sam saying Bitcoin retreat. I don't know what's going on, but yes, we will be hosting a Bitcoin retreat next year. It's going to be a good time. Me and Sam will obviously be there. All right, let's do it. Dogecoin. Okay, everyone is asking about Dogecoin. What the hell? All right, go back to cryptosomniac.com. Check out the website, guys. Sign up for our newsletter. We had some awesome updates coming for you guys. So me and Sam have been working tirelessly on this newsletter. We've hired 6-7 writers, programmers, making sure that it's literate, English majors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts, people that are been in the space, industry veterans, and we've been working tirelessly on this newsletter, just making sure that when we do launch it, it is critical and valuable information. And you'll be getting in-depth reports, whether that be proof of stake, what the tangle is. I still don't know what the tangle is. The hell is a tangle? I tried to read that white paper, and my mind was literally, I'm still mind blown. I still don't know what the hell I read. Both Sam and I are both engineers. We went through, quantum physics together. We went through thermodynamics together. We took all the math that you could possibly throw at us. I took discrete math. I did my minor in nuclear engineering. I took nuclear physics, and just some of these math problems I was looking at on the tangle and the white paper, and I was like, what am I looking at? Is this English? It's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Booyah Kasha. All right, Ali G. Booyah Kasha. Yeah, I agree that IOTA is a little bit speculative right now. It's a very speculative play, right? But you could say the same. You could say the same thing about Cardano. The same thing about EOS. EOS and Cardano a little bit out of IOTA's reign because they both have strong founders, right? EOS, Dan Larimer, BitShares and Steemit founder, and the founder of Cardano, is the co-founder of Ethereum. So obviously a lot of reputation to uphold there, guys. So just keep an eye out for that. All right, let's keep going through the charts here. Doge. Okay, everyone's keep asking me about Doge. No one's really asked me about Doge. Okay, so Dogecoin direly needs a new lead dev. Okay, that should not be a hot story, but okay. 39 million in volume, still pretty decent. 38 in the ranking. 1 cent. One Doge is 1 cent. Wow. That's insane. I seriously think that's insane. 112 billion supply. 1 Doge is 1 cent. That's incredible. Okay, let's go through it to charts. Doge. BTC. I've actually never gone through a Doge chart. This is my first time. This is my first time, guys. Be gentle on the Doge. Good Lord, that's a lot of data. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, let's actually. This is so much data that. Oh, this is data overload. This is how I love it, guys. All right, let's go to the log scale here. Whoa, what the hell did I just do? All right, let's not go on the log scale. Now let's go on the log scale. Let's pull it out to the weekly, maybe. I think I broke it. Okay. All right, this is decent. Okay, so very strong 2 to 3 year support line here. Wow. This is no joke. This support line is no joke. All right, let's keep drawing through it. 273 days. 245 days. Showing that 245 day region here. Let's see how long this one took. 445 days. Wow. But let's look. That weekly MACD just crossed. A weekly MACD, not daily, not hourly. I make decisions off hourly and 30 minutes sometimes. A weekly is a huge. If you buy Doge right now, it's almost guaranteed to go up, right? Cough, cough. Not a guarantee. Can't say that. I'm not sure. Investment advisor. Take this with a grain of salt. But holy crap, that is looking like a strong indication, right? Let's look at this at the daily, guys. This is a tough one, guys. This is really tough. Okay. This is the risky pick. This is the kind of shit that Verge does. You know, you pick this up right now. You pick this up right now. You wait a year, and it's 7 cents, and you're all of a sudden, you know, Lambo level. That's the kind of shit that Doge does, right? This is a long-term hodl. Again, maybe I'll pick this up. You know, what's a few $100, right? What's a few $100? What's a god to a king, right? And we'll see if Doge could turn into that king, right? Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, Doge is the play here. Apparently, the long hodl Doge. You know, this is good to take a healthy amount of risk. All right, let's keep going through your questions. Okay. Binance is much better. 50% off fees on the first year of trading. Referral links. Let's not do referral links, guys. 760. Why am I watching this instead of signing up right now? You should have a Binance account. Binance, yes, Binance. You should be signing up for Binance. Yeah, I mean, I'm not advocating Doge, guys. But if you did buy down here and it does rise back to this level, let's see that return. I think Doge is a better cryptocurrency than Bitcoin. It honestly is. The fees are lower. It's able to handle more transactions, and it's not inflated. I mean, and it is inflationary. That's the only problem, right? While as Verge offers a lot more. Again, super shitty. All right, let's see. If it does go back to that, you're seeing at 6x returns here. If it goes back to that point right there. 6x returns. Is it possible? I don't think so. I just don't think so. But anything could happen. Anything could happen, so it is possible. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. People lost Doge if only they had BTC. I'm not telling you to buy Doge. This is, if you think this is the Doge buy signal, you are wrong. You are wrong. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's keep going through your questions here, guys. Okay. I'm lost. Go low on Doge. No. Can we just get off of the Doge subject? I'm just embarrassed just talking about it. Neo to the moon. Actually, let's check out Neo. Guys, if you're just now joining us, welcome to the channel. I'm Snay here, CryptoSomniac. Facebook.com/CryptoSomniac. Share that, and Twitter.com/CryptoSomniac. Share that as well, and you are eligible to win some free cryptocurrency. Absolutely free. All you have to do is hit a share button, guys. All right, let's go through it, and just share Sam's video from earlier today, Coinbase, and we'll do that. All right, let's do it. Let's zoom into the 4 hour at least, right, guys? So wow, what did we draw here? We drew a head and shoulders pattern, possibly. Let's go to the hourly. Okay, look at that. Not a head and shoulders pattern. Not yet. So we can delete that. We were projecting that yesterday if that does happen. Not yet though. Look at that hourly. That hourly looks beautiful. Who's holding on to Neo? I am. I'm holding on to Neo. I'm waiting for the moon. I'm waiting for the moon on Neo. Let's do this. Let's see the 4 hour one more time. The MACD. MACD looks okay. So it looks okay. The hourly looks much better. I think that MACD will even itself out. The RSI is insanely high though, guys. That doesn't encourage me here. But again, market enthusiasm is in favor for Bitcoin. Let's look at that volume. I mean for Bitcoin, for Neo. We have a lot of volume coming in. I'll be really looking for that volume candle to really make that decisive push. If not, I may sell off some for some profit and re-diversify my portfolio. Maybe back into QTUM. You know, maybe I definitely have been wanting to pick up some more Monero. So that's always an option. It's always good to take profits, diversify, especially if there's a signal like this. Hold on, let's actually go to the 6 hour and see what's going on in the 6 hour. So 6 hour kind of fluctuating here, so maybe we won't hit this cross. Maybe we aren't during downturn, but I would definitely still set your stop losses here. Greetings from Poland. Hello. I'm from Los Angeles. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully this time is working out for everybody here. I'm holding Neo. Neo. Can we go back to the Bitcoin charts? Absolutely. I can look at Bitcoin all day. Yeah. Sorry for my disco lights, Bitcoin charts. All right, let's see. Hey, we had that. Look at this, guys. Beginning of the stream, we identified this. We said this was a falling wedge, textbook falling wedge. If you've been with us from the beginning of the stream, congratulations. You probably picked up some Bitcoin right off this call. And guess what? We've broken out of that wedge. We were at 16,500, and we're already at 1,700 here on Coinbase. That's an easy signal right there. Welcome to the channel, guys. That's exactly what we provide you guys every single day. Even easy signals, and anyone could do this, right? Obviously, this doesn't work out 199. This doesn't work out 100% of the time, right? It can't. There's too many fluctuations. There's too many fundamental things, such as hard forks, such as regulation, such as market adoption. A lot of things hitting Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general from multiple different angles. So you should not. There's a lot of people out there that look solely on the technicals. That is a wrong way to approach it. You need to get educated on cryptocurrencies. We have a pretty fantastic course out. You can learn technicals, you can learn fundamentals, you can learn keywords, you can learn how proof of stake, proof of work works, what a platform is, what an asset is, how smart contracts work. Smart contracts are glorified if-then statements, right? And we have that for you right here. Just go to cryptosomniac.com and go to the products page, and you'll find it right then and there. Pretty great, and we'll have some more in-depth courses for you in the future, but that course is by far the best way to get started in cryptocurrencies. All right, Facebook has blocked your video from being shared. Really? Okay, I'll look into that. Wobby. Okay, well, we're going to continue looking at Bitcoin for now, for a tad bit longer, and then we'll give away some free cryptocurrency and round out the stream. So wow, look at that, guys! Such easy signals, Easy. Okay, let's keep going through your questions. Who are the powerful people looking at EOS? So Sam and I have both been to multiple blockchain conventions. The general consensus is QTOM and EOS are going to be big. People are looking to switch from Ethereum to QTOM and EOS. And Sam is huge on QTOM, and I'm pretty big on EOS myself. That's it. That's about it. Delegated proof of stake and shit. What is that QTOM? Anyways, I forgot what I was going to say about QTOM, but QTOM, a fantastic platform. Patrick Dye over there killing it. All right. Let's see. Patrick Dye is the founder of QTOM. Seems to be the only one in the top 50 that hasn't had a big pump in the last 2 weeks. I don't know about that. So Crypto Coin Kiwi says Neo is the only one that hasn't had a massive pump. What do you classify as massive? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So exactly 14 days is right here. I just counted the candles because I'm on the 14-day interval. Where is that? Okay, so I'm on the price chart now. Crypto Coin Kiwi. We are up 137%. That's pretty good gains to me. That's pretty good gains to me, man. So yeah, I mean, we're definitely overinflated on that. If you were looking in the traditional market, right? Portfolio is a bull trap, possibly. Okay, we are back up. Portfolio is rising back to yesterday's highs. Bull trap, possibly a bull. Excuse me. Possible bull trap. What is your view on BCH and reopening of GDAX market at 9 a.m.? Set your stop losses, guys. I think BCH may see a short-term pump and then a dump. I don't think there'll be much impact. I mean, there'll be general investors being confused. Like, if I told the average person, say, hey, here's Bitcoin, they'll be like, oh, cool, the orange one, right? And then I shove Bitcoin Cash down their throat. They're going to be like, cool, Bitcoin Cash, it's even cheaper than Bitcoin. That's exactly what they're going to say, and they're probably going to buy it, and they probably won't know why. And most likely, people like us are going to short the market, and they're going to lose a tremendous amount of money. That's the sad part about being a noob, is that you don't know what's going on. You're not educated. You don't know what the hell's happening. and you're getting shorted on. You're getting shorted on, guys. That's exactly what's going to happen. And mark my words, this is going to happen. It's going to pump up, and then what are we going to do? What are we going to do? That are people that are watching this channel, we're gonna sell at that high. We're gonna look at that 30-minute to 15-minute interval on the MACD or the hourly, and we're gonna look at that MACD cross on the top, and we're gonna sell, and we're gonna hurt all the noobs that just bought. That's what we're gonna do. And that's bad. That's really sad, because obviously we want noobs to enter this market. We want market adoption. I mean, we were all noobs once, right? I still consider myself a noob. When I hear Andre Antonopoulos speak, I'm just like, wow. Like my mouth drops. And you know, me and Sam are constantly reading books, and Sam and I are constantly reading books to try to stay updated on the market. And I'm reading a Solidity book to learn Solidity, so I could navigate GitHub better on more ERC20 tokens. And these are conscious steps that I'm taking to relay the information back to you guys. And you know, all right, I'm not a noob. Okay, I understand I'm not a noob. I mean, I probably know a lot, right? But again, we were all noobs at one point, right? Unless you're Satoshi Nakamoto and you invented the damn thing, you're a noob, right? You were introduced to the idea at some point. All right. Sorry, guys. Hold on. How much is QTOM and EOS? So you can check out the price of QTOM and EOS right here on CryptoSomniac.com. So we're going to just go to CryptoSomniac.com and you can check it out. QTOM is at 65. EOS is... Where's EOS? Oh, EOS is at 12. Yep. All right. Could you look at Dash? Yeah, sure. Dash 1200. Lisk and art comparison. BNB. Blitz. Andres is an eloquent speaker. Absolutely. Andres is... He's the man. He's Bitcoin Jesus. That's what they call him, right? Yeah, I love Andre Antonopoulos. I hope to meet him one day. I hope to shake his hand one day. No, let's go through it, guys. I use USI Tech. Don't use USI Tech. It is a Ponzi. You will get hurt in the long run. It is a massive Ponzi. USI Tech is a massive Ponzi. Okay, let's go through Dash. We're gonna round this stream out soon, guys. So go ahead over to Facebook and YouTube, and Facebook and Twitter. Hit those shares buttons, and you'll be eligible to win some beautiful free crypto. That's right, absolutely free. We will hunt you down. If you're selected, we will hunt you down, and we will give you crypto. No, I'm just kidding. But if you want the free crypto, we'll contact you, and we will let you know. Well, we will give you the free crypto, obviously. So let's draw out Dash. Wow. So I do not like Dash fundamentally. It is basically a centralized, decentralized currency. I think more than 40%, or what is it? I think it's like 51% is owned by the top 1% of holders. That is way too little for my liking. You know, I don't want to sound like Bernie Sanders, but yeah, that is not good income equality. Okay. All right. So let's keep looking at this. That hourly does not look good, does it? Let's look at that 30-minute. 30-minute looks a little better. Let's look at that 15-minute. I'm going to set my stop loss tonight on Dash. I want to take a little bit of profit from Dash. I bought it on a whim. I've been holding it since like it was like $100. So, yeah. I don't like Dash. Fundamentally, I don't like Dash. But again, to each their own. A lot of people love Dash, right? All right. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash. Ripple, Ripple, Ripple. I did not go over XRP. I went over Verge earlier. So rewind the video, and you can find out more about Verge. Ripple is, again, another one I don't like fundamentally. But I'm holding on to it because I know it can make me a lot of money. If it gets added to Coinbase, we are going to the moon, guys. Look at that. Consolidation. That is a massive amount of consolidation here. So let's go to the 4 hour here. I may look to sell off soon. Show off fib retracement here, guys. I think it's going to break down. I think Ripple might break down. But I don't think I'm going to be selling too much. I think I like it as a hedge against BTC. I like my Ripple. Yeah, I like my Ripple, guys. Let me actually go through Ripple on the big screen here on TradingView. It's the daily here. Let me go to the 4 hour. Yeah, this is, I drew this out earlier. This is a better time to buy under here. I would try to buy under here. Try to buy under point. I would try to buy under 3,500 Satoshis. I think it's a little too high. ARK. Okay, let's go through ARK. My man Jonathan wants to know about ARK. Let's go through ARK. Let's pull this out to the daily to show this long-term trend here. You want to buy at these supports. So if you didn't accumulate under here, guys, if you didn't buy under here, what are you doing? This is a hit. You don't have to trust me. You don't ever have to trust me. You should never trust a YouTuber. You should be educated on yourself, by yourself, right? Or take our course and get educated that way. But you should never trust one person, right? You should get multiple views, whether that be from Reddit, Twitter, a lot of banter going on, right? But don't listen to a YouTuber, even me. Don't listen to a YouTuber. Do your own research. But in this case, I'm not even trying to manipulate any sort of information with you guys. But I hope you guys can see this well. But this is support going back till April on Bittrex here. Once, twice, 3, 4, and then it hit it one more time and it actually hit below it. So this is by far one of the most ideal times to buy ARK, right down there. I don't think we missed the boat quite just yet, but I think we have a lot of room to grow. We have a lot of room to grow for ARK. I think we have a lot of room to grow for ARK, and that ARK is one of my coins I'm super bullish on. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Thank you. And we're gonna go over Wabi, and we're gonna give out some free cryptocurrency and round out this stream. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment, guys, if you want to see anything else different from the stream. Check out our website. Sign up for that newsletter to really get some awesome information. I'm listening to you, and I am buying Doge. Hey, I never said to buy Doge. Okay, don't put words in my mouth. Don't put words on my mouth. All right. Honestly, like. I love what I do, basically because of you guys. I mean, just interacting with the community, and it makes me so hyped up for cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go through Wabi, just because we've had a lot of statements about it. Now, if I didn't get to your comments or questions, guys, I really apologize. Leave me a comment in the video, and I will definitely go through your coin tomorrow. Absolutely, okay. Can you buy Ripple with fiat anywhere? Kraken. You could buy Ripple with fiat on Kraken. So go ahead and over to Kraken and you could try it out. But why would you want to do that? Just buy Bitcoin and transfer it, or buy Ethereum and transfer it. Buy Litecoin and then transfer it. Specifically Ethereum and Bitcoin, because that's where the pairings are, right? But why would you do that? How often do you do live videos? I'm a new subscriber. We do 2 videos a day. One Sam, one me. Most of the time, right? The rich never sleep, but some... Oh, guys, I completely forgot. Completely forgot. I haven't shared my YouTube video with you guys. I mean, my YouTube channel. My new YouTube channel. So go to YouTube. Guys, go over to YouTube. And then type in Sleepless Crypto Somniac. You won't be disappointed. Go to the live stream. And we're 24-hour live stream, guys. Whoa. Okay. 24-hour live stream. Funky tunes. Alright, that was a little too funky. Sorry for the loud noise. Yeah, check it out, guys. We update these trend lines almost daily. You know, making sure that we have everything consistent, right? And you know, head over to the chat here and say hello. Hello, who is watching? And we'll go over there after the stream, and we'll chat with you guys there. All right, guys. Yeah, let's do it. Let's give out some free crypto right now. So I'm gonna give this a refresh here. Whoa. I'm actually gonna give this a refresh here. Facebook has been so slow lately. I'm loading other websites like JetSpeed, and Facebook is just so slow. All right, we have 40 shares on Facebook. Fantastic stuff, guys. Thank you so much for sharing and participating in the crypto free giveaway. So I'm gonna share Sam's video. I mean, we're gonna do Sam's video right now. So let's go and go to random number generator. So we'll do 1 through 3. 1 is reroll. 2 is Facebook. 3 is Twitter. Reroll. 3, so Twitter. 80. Okay, so 80 shares, and we're gonna go through the 80 shares here. Actually, we're gonna do it like this, okay? 2 is 1 through 40, and then 3 is 40 through 80, and then we'll do the 1 through 40, because I'm not gonna count. I'm gonna count up, and then I'm gonna count down. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so 1 through 40. You are now eligible. The first 40 shares I see, okay? Jeez, this is rough. All right, 1 through 40, and we're going to see who wins. That's insane. Number 40 wins. Okay, let's see. Number 40. Now I have to count to 40. God damn it. All right. All right, I'll log in Twitter. All right. Number 40. Good Lord. What is happening here? I don't even know what's happening anymore. All right. I think it's this. It's this button, guys. Gosh. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25. 25 is all I get. What? This doesn't make any sense. 25 is all I get here. What the? All right. All right. We're gonna do 1 through 25. Number 8. All right. Thank God it's not a low number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wade Watts. And we're following you already, too. We're going to follow all you guys. Everyone. We follow everyone. Because you follow us. We're in this together, guys. All right, hold on. And I'm gonna reach out to you, and I'm gonna find you. If you see somebody hiding in the bushes, that's me, trying to give you free crypto. All right. So someone will reach out to you. If not me, someone on the team will reach out to you. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm staying here at Cryptosomniac. Really appreciate you guys. Smash those thumbs up buttons. Share us. Like us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook page, facebook.com/Cryptosomniac. And go check out the website, guys. It's a killer website. Awesome hot stories feed. We have a portfolio tracker coming out for you guys in January. Check it out, guys. This is Stay Here, Cryptosomniac. Peace out. Take it easy, guys.